Hello everyone. Today we'll see preparation of carboxylic acid, and for that the table is already given in previous class, but then also we'll see we want to prepare acid, carboxylic acid. So acid, A for alcohol, C for cyanide amide, D for dry ice. Oxygen is there, oxygen is not there. That you'll understand when we'll start our question answer. So, and what I have done here is OHG, O help God. How to do this? So O for oxidation, H for acid hydrolysis, God is Grignard here. जनरली एग्जाम में लोग बोलते हैं OHG, O हेल्प गॉड. तो अब अगर गॉड ने मदद नहीं की तो क्या होगा? वाटर, आंसू आएंगे और फिर पेपर में कुछ नहीं लिख पाएंगे. ठीक है. सो ये रहा अपना फॉर्मूला, और एरो आप देख रहे हैं, एरो यहाँ ऊपर भी जो है वही नीचे रखा हुआ है. बाकी हीट इज देयर, और ये आई मतलब कुछ नहीं है, ये आप जानते हैं माँ जिसको आई ऑपरेशन चल रहा है उनका. सो दिस देयर. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. सपोज इफ वी वांट टू प्रिपेयर इथेनॉइक एसिड from acetyl chloride. If this is the question, now what to do? Question is given in this English language. You have to write in chemistry की भाषा में लिखना है. अब chemistry की भाषा क्या है? Chemistry के लैंग्वेज में ये जो आपका इथेनॉइक एसिड है, that can be written as CH3COOH. तो ये क्वेश्चन को सिर्फ केमिस्ट्री की लैंग्वेज में पहले लिख दो, कन्वर्ट दैट. जैसे एसिटाइल क्लोराइड, तो एसिटाइल क्लोराइड का फॉर्मूला इज CH3COCl. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? नाउ यू हैव टू चेक दिस एसिटाइल क्लोराइड. वेयर इज दिस इन दिस टेबल हियर? मेन, दिस इज COCl group here. Number 1 is alcohol, number 2 cyanide amide, number 3 dry ice. So this acetyl chloride does not belong to number 1, 2, 3. If does not belong to 1, 2, 3, then what to do now? Then go for number 4 and 5. Means you check oxygen is there or not. So oxygen is there. If oxygen is there, what you are going to add? Water. So you will write here H2O, and this star mark is there for what? If this material is ester, then only you are going to write on arrow, otherwise not. Means you will not write here because this is not ester. Now just find out left and right side. What is the extra left side is? HCl. So what you have to do is, when acetyl chloride is reacted with water, it gives acetic acid. This question number 1. We'll see one more here. Say again we want to prepare here this, say I'll write acetic acid from acetonitrile. Now again what we have to do is, first we'll write arrow here. We want to prepare acetic acid from acetonitrile. How to write the structure? Nitrile means cyanide, so that you will write here. AC means what? AC means 2 carbon. If 2 carbon is there, so 1 carbon already we have, 1 more carbon is required. So we got the formula of acetonitrile. Now you try to find out where is this cyanide in this. So this cyanide is here, second number, second method. In second method, H for what? Hydrolysis. Which hydrolysis we'll do here? So we'll do this acid hydrolysis, and for that I will write here, say acid hydrolysis. As you see in this product side, two oxygens are there. Here we have one, so we have to balance. We should write here 2. See, in formula table 2 is not given here because amide is also there. That's why. Now what? When heated, if you will try to find out left side, right side, what is extra left hand side? So that is ammonium chloride is extra you will get. So this way we can, with the help of this table, it becomes easy to find out. For example, we'll see question number 3. If again we want to go for, say this time I want to prepare, say propionic acid from, if it is, I'll give propane 1 all. Again we'll write here what we want to prepare. Propionic acid, which is CH3CH2COOH. Now propane 1 all, that is CH3CH2CH2OH. It becomes very simple to understand what we have to add. Alcohol is there. Number 1 method, what you are going to do? Oxidation. And what is there on arrow is given. Means we are going to write here 2 oxygen, and this is nascent oxygen. From where this is obtained? This is obtained from potassium permanganate and sulfuric acid. Here we can write dilute and heat. Means acidified KMnO4, or even we can write alkaline, means potassium hydroxide we can write. Alkaline KMnO4, they produce oxygen, and that oxygen is here. Now if you'll see left and right side, what is the extra left side is water. So what I want to try to tell you all here is, if you are done with, it's very simple, just acid full form, oxygen is there or not, and what, and O help God, and water nothing, and this arrow. If you are done with this, it becomes very simple, very easy to write the reaction as you saw here. Okay, we'll go for more questions, how to write preparation of carboxylic acids. Say for example, this time I have say question number 4, which is obtain acetic acid from acetic anhydride. We are done with question. Okay, now arrow. We want to prepare acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic anhydride? Is this. Now what? After converting this your question into this answer form, now try to find out where is this anhydride. This does not belong to number 1, 2, 3. First 3 cancelled. Means what? Now you have to go for number 4 and 5. Oxygen is there or not there? It is there. Means this belongs to number 4. So number 4 is plus H2O. Star mark means if ester, then only write. This is not ester, so don't write on arrow. Now just try to find out what is extra left hand side. So water is HOH, say this CH3. If I'll write it this way here, CH3COOH, and remaining is what? CH3CO and OH. So we get two molecules of acetic acid. Okay, next question now we'll see. Number 5. If we want to prepare, say, benzoic acid from phenyl ethene, that is styrene. Okay, for this question now what we'll do? First you try to write the structure of benzoic acid, and structure of phenylethene is this. Now what? Try to find out where is this phenylethene. So alcohol, cyanide, amide, dry ice, obviously no. Number 4, oxygen is not there. This belongs to number 5. So number 5 means what I have done, addition, nothing I have shown here. Directly what we have to do is, we have to write KMnO4 and sulfuric acid, dilute and heat. Miss, what has happened actually? This undergoes oxidation. This oxidizing agent here. Generally what happens is, if you'll see, this bond is broken and oxygen here, remaining oxygen other side. So we get CO2 and water. So only this much we'll write, no need to go for further part of it. Okay, suppose if next question we have, we want to prepare adipic acid from, say, from cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. Now what to do? So now adipic acid is, say, the structure. Adipic acid, how to write? Adipic acid is COH here, this COH, which is nothing but CH2 4 times carboxyl group here, here also carboxyl group. That is adipic acid. This we want to prepare from cyclohexene. So cyclohexene is this. Now just try to find out this belongs to which number. If you'll see here, this directly belongs to number 5. Okay, so number 5, check what is given. For number 5, we are going to write here KMnO4 and sulfuric acid, dilute and heat. And as I said earlier, I said that here this bond is broken and oxygen, you know, oxygen like this. So the function of this KMnO4 sulfuric acid is what? To oxidize. It produces nascent oxygen. And this we can write up. See these all, number 5, number 6, if we'll try to find out these two here, directly number 5. Okay, now 1 or 2 more reactions are remaining and then this preparation part gets over. That is like, suppose if question is prepare, we will go for, yes, one more is there, acetic acid from ethyl acetate. Okay, now this question we have, what to do now? Okay, so again we'll write here, formula of acetic acid is this, and ethyl acetate, how to write the structure of this ethyl acetate? So 8 ester, for ester 8 means it is COOR, that is ester. What is R? Alkyl. So which alkyl? Ethyl. So here we are going to write ethyl, and AC means what? 2 carbon. Ethyl is done. Ethyl I wrote. Now AC means 2 carbon. So 1 carbon is there, 1 more carbon is this. Okay, now we'll see, we'll try to find out this belongs to which number. As we know, this is ester and here we have alcohol, cyanide, amide, dry ice. So this directly belongs to number 4. Oxygen is there. So what we are going to add? Water. But as I said earlier, star mark is for ester. If ester is there, see ester is there. So what you are going to write is dilute sulfuric acid, heat. Actually we don't add water. This ester is heated with dilute sulfuric acid. The dilute sulfuric acid itself contains water. it is there, dilute. Okay, now if you try to find out what is the extra left hand side, you will get here C2H5OH. This also, yeah, this done. This question is over. Now remaining one more, we'll see question here. If suppose we want to prepare, even same, I'll give ethanoic acid from dry ice. How to write this reaction? So dry ice, directly you know dry ice is here. The formula of dry ice is this. What we are going to add is RMGX, arrow dry ether. But we have two arrow. So one more I'll write it down here, that is acid hydrolysis. But finally what we want to prepare? We want to prepare CS3COOH. Okay, now how to get this R? Find out number of carbon, like number of carbon is 1. Here you have 2. 1 carbon is extra. So that we have to write, we have to introduce here 1 carbon. So CS3.Mg or if you will not write anything, like directly CS3MgI. Okay, you can put chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, now what happens here is, now we'll see how to get this magnesium intermediate complex. So as you know, this metal, they have fractional positive charge, positive, and next is negative charge. Oxygen is having negative, carbon is having, this carbonyl carbon we can say is having fractional positive charge. Okay, so negative goes to this positive here and positive goes to negative. So here we are going to get CH3, then we'll write C double bond O and here OMGI. Now finally acid hydrolysis, and for that what we'll do is, here say we'll write H and OH. So the byproduct which we are going to get is, that is magnesium with iodine and this OH. So this answer is for to prepare acid from dry ice. Many more questions we did here. With alcohol we did cyanide. These all are done. Only this amide is remaining, and that amide is very simple to understand, you know, as you did, sorry, by mistake I did here. With cyanide, similarly amide, means I want to say here, like prepare acetic acid from acetamide. So as you know, acetic acid is this and acetamide structure one should know is this. Okay, now further then what happens here is amide, say this amide is there, acid hydrolysis. So from this table it becomes very simple to understand what exactly you have to do. If you know this material and what you have to add, becomes very simple. So now here if you try to find out left side what is extra, you will get ammonium chloride. This way we can write preparation of acid with the help of this formula. Okay, thank you very much.